sitting next to this guy.
Thank you.
You guys like to see a beer and wine menu?
Beer menu?
Beer and wine? Yeah.
I walked in on it. I think I deserve it.
There's a beer and wine menu for you guys.
Thank you. Thanks,
Thanks,
sir.
yeah. Let me grab this.
Is there
Thank you, sir.
Is there chicken? Chicken wings?
We're here for Buffalo Burgers.
Oh, burger. Well, I thought it was. But is there really like chicken? I don't like. I've never been. No. And this is all they have? No, I was just saying, if you guys want to take it. Yep.
Pasta, you bought the hamburger pad.
Eso es como de ese todo.
You missed it, dude. Carlos.
We were right there, dude.
And he started charging it.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, that's why I don't want to get close.
He started running. He's all out of breath. Came over here all out of breath.
I hit myself in